Hello everyone. We are in Tagaytay, Cavite, Batangas. And yes, that is a mango tree over my shoulder. We're fixing to take a beautiful walking tour of my wife's family's ancestral home here in the provinces in the bundok of the Philippines. Stay tuned and roll that intro. Look at all this food.
Oh, kakanta tayo. Kantahan na. Yeah, I'm here. Here. Oh, tayo. Hindi ito buksan mo. Ay, ganda na tayo. Kantahan doon.
Look at this stove. The home. Yeah. We are in Provincial Cavite, Tagaytay. This is our ancestral home of my wife's mother. You just saw the area where they would prepare food over an open fire. And if you look around, you'll see so much beauty. The chickens are feeding. This is where the coconuts would be split, or as they call them here, the bucos. Split them on this spike. Here the dogs are resting. And you can look at all the beauty up the hill. And all the beauty everywhere you look. All the way around. There's coffee trees, mango trees. So much beauty to be found here in Tagaytay. If you make your way around here, dragon fruit. So much to see. We'll be back in a bit. We're gonna make our way back down the path again. See if we can not get eaten by spiders. What kind of tree is this? Oh, look at the orchid, baby.
Beautiful.
Oh my goodness, it smells so sweet.
Did you see the cacao, the chocolate?
No, cacao.
Manager, yeah.
Cacao.
Cacao. Dublin. Cacao.
Cacao. Oh, look at the moringa.
Malunga, yeah. We boil it up and make the tea.
Oh yeah.
Good for the stomach.
Good for your guts.
It is, exactly.
Joy's like a country girl.
She usually gets up the trees and gets the stuff over here. Can I show you?
This is amazing. Oh, look at the calamansi. Calamansi fruits.
A few fresh ones. We have one in the garden, small one.
Hey,
Ooh, smell.
they taste wonderful. What kind of peppers are these, I wonder?
Have you got peppers there?
Oh.
Oh yes, with chili peppers. Joy, chili peppers. Here, come on, I'll show you the cacao.
The calamansi here tastes better than ours back home.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, this, come on over here.
It's a little bit sweeter, diba?
Oh, it's sweeter. Look at the dragon fruit. They're everywhere. Oh, there's no fruit, but there's a plant.
Come on here.
This is incredible.
Now, there's loads of this around. I just can't. This is the only one I've spotted so far. Here.
This is cacao. Oh!
There's loads of it around. It's just that's the only one I've spotted at the moment.
And this is what we would make chocolate out of.
Yeah. Coffee, chocolate.
Wow.
Coffee or chocolate?
Yeah. They have more. But that's the only one I've seen today. Good.
I wonder when they're ripe to
The
pick.
girls didn't know. They put. Oh, look, that's lovely. There's peppers there. Chili peppers, little peppers. Well, I don't think.
What did you pick, Joy? What's this? Santoy. Another dog. Hello, doggy. Hey, puppy doggy. Oh, the dogs don't like me. So beautiful out here. Look over the hill.
Oh, this is lovely. It's really nice. Oh, I see, yeah. That many.
There's no place like the Philippines.
Be careful where you step.
Banana trees everywhere. Oh, look at there's bananas out there.
They're probably not ripe.
No, they're still babies.
You see the leaves are nice. That's a lovely leaf for serving food on.
Look at those bananas up there starting.
That's a bit of cacao there.
Bananas. You eat the banana heart.
Yeah. Make it salad.
Where's the
This one is the yung kinain kanina pichi-pichi kasaba. The kasaba.
That's the cassava root.
Yeah.
That's what we made the peachy
Yeah,
peachy
yeah,
out
yeah,
of.
this one.
Oh, and what's this?
This is a native coffee.
Oh, it's the coffee one,
Native
is it?
coffee tree.
The same, yeah, but there's no plant on it. There's no.
Nice.
There is more down there somewhere. I remember seeing them the last time.
It's absolutely beautiful out here. My beautiful Maganda.
Oh, the top, yeah.
Oh.
The avocado
What is
at the top.
They look like
Oh yeah. Little avocados up there. Look at all the coconuts up there.
Well, there's thousands of coconuts. There's a guy here. There's a guy here, and he has the boots. And when I was here the first time, he actually the boots go into the tree like nails.
Oh.
And he climbed up the tree and he brought down the the coconuts on his shoulders. I got photographs saying it was really, really special.
Oh wow. You know, this is so special.
What's that? Oh, that's just the colour of those leaves, is it?
This is so amazing. What's that? Oh, bananas. Oh, look at all the bananas.
No, it's not so
Another coffee tree over here.
I think there is some down there.
Oh,
I saw those one time down there.
all down that hill. Coffee trees.
Cacao. But they're already still.
These are cacao fruit. I would love to open one up, but they're hard as a rock. Okay, we'll continue our walking tour in a bit whenever we can find a mango. This has cacao seeds in it. I'm gonna try to split it open and see what it looks like inside. We were able to open up the cacao just by stepping on it. You see the seeds there. These are the seeds. This is what they would roast and make chocolate out of. However, this one's been on the ground and it's spoiled. These grow wild out here everywhere. Who planted those?
I don't know, my ancestors, my grandfather.
My wife's ancestors planted all these coffee trees out here. This is for coffee or chocolate. And they're they look kind of nasty right here, but once you clean them up and roast them, they're beautiful. Orange. I thought they were all red. These are orange.
That's already overripe.
Yeah, it's already overripe. All right, we're gonna make our way over to the chicken house. Oh, this is the look. That's what you make the rain tree out of.
This is a banana tree.
Is it?
This was.
Oh, it was a banana tree before it fell. Everything smells amazing out here.
Smells so nature.
Smells just like nature. Mango tree, mangoes on all over. It's because I'm right under a mango tree. Maybe I can get a mango open. Oh, big mangoes. Mango trees everywhere. Life is better in the Philippines. I want to show you this dragon fruit. Growing wild out here. Well, not wild, this is the dragon fruit. No fruit on it. Look how thick that is. Oh, here's avocados. Dragon fruit. Huh? This is the neighbors. Look at this papaya. Little baby papaya. There's something up in the tree up there. Up there.
What is it?
I don't know. There's monkeys out here, Dubai. I better get back to where I was at before
You get attacked by a
I get attacked by a monkey. We are in Southeast Asia, so there are monkeys here. And however, I do want to see a monkey while we're here. All right, we'll be back when we find the ripe mangoes. They said there's some ripe mangoes here. One thing there's no shortage of here is bucos. Fresh coconut for fresh coconut juice. Buco juice. My gulai, they're heavy. I bet that weighs 80 pounds. And these are fresh. You probably just picked today. This is that mango tree I was telling you about. I still can't reach them. They're always right out of reach. The tree's covered in them. Hello, puppy dog. This must be the most beautiful place I've ever been in my life. Every plant you can imagine is growing here. These are, what is that, sweetheart? Calachuchi? It's a what? I can't get close enough to it to smell it, but it sure is beautiful. Look at that flower. So many plants. Ooh, what are these? Oh, this is a... I don't know what those are. Some kind of fruit. Some plant. If you don't know what it is, don't touch it or eat it. Or you die, Mom. These are beautiful. Look at that. It's like little bells. And then they flower. Tell you what, your family likes to grow plants. Are they getting mangas? What's she doing with that stick?
Getting manga.
Getting manga? Oh, I gotta see this. It's a mango hook. It's a mango blade. Ayos. Ayos. Dalawa manga. Look at the hook on the end of that thing.
Matigas na po ba yan? Oh, magulang na. Ay, ito dami malaki.
Slippery.
The good mud.
You
Hey,
stepped
I'm
on
sorry.
mud.
I didn't mean to step on your foot. There's Ate Leia. Fresh harvested mangoes. That's what we were looking for.
No.
Wow.
And also this one is good.
Which one?
This part.
They smell beautiful. Wow. Good catch.
Is that enough?
Yeah.
Okay. That's something you don't get to do.
Smell of them.
Not only have we picked fresh mangoes, but we've got, look here, fresh sun-drying coffee beans. How long does it take for them to dry?
3 days
3 days, and then you can make,
sun dry.
grind them up
Yes.
and make coffee out of it.
You have to cook it in the big pan
Cook it in the
until
pan.
it becomes brown.
Wow. And
Then
then
you will grind.
grind them up, and then you can drink
Then
it.
it's only manual.
Oh my.
Yeah.
That's the best way to have your coffee. Sun-dried and hand-ground
Yes.
in Cavite. It's been a beautiful day here in Cavite, Tagaytay, Batangas. Would not this be a beautiful place to build a home overlooking a banana grove? Well, that's a dream of mine. That's a dream of mine, to build a bahay overlooking this valley. But that's in the future. Thank you all for tuning in. I'm in Southeast Asia. I'm in the Philippines. I'm in Tagaytay, Cavite, Batangas. And from the jungle, this is Paradise Found. I'm Matthew. And until next time, ingat and God bless.